So how do you change your text color on the iPad? Let me talk about it and hopefully explain it well to you. So if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, if you mean like the text messages color in terms of the bubbles, because sometimes, you might see a blue text bubble, sometimes it's green. Well, the blue one is through the iMessage, so you have to set it up, if you are sending text messages over the internet. So you're going to check it out inside of the settings where you check out the apps at the bottom, and you'll be able to see the messages, and you want to make sure that the iMessage is turned on. For the green messages, it only can be forwarded from the iPhone. So if you have an iPhone which also uses the same Apple ID, you'll be able to check out as well the same section within the settings. So you go to apps and messages, and there is the text message forwarding, right? So if you have that enabled for your iPad, it just means that even the regular text, like the green ones, will be shared and will be accessed on the iPad as well. So this is the distinction between a green and blue text bubbles on the iPad, right? So the green are over the cellular carrier, but can only be forwarded from the iPhone, whereas the blue ones are the iMessage sent through the internet, and you can even use it without the iPhone. So that is like the biggest difference. So if you want to change the color, that is kind of how you need to do it and approach it. So for example, if you want to just start using the blue ones, make sure that the other person also uses iMessage, and you'll be able to get in touch with them that way. So that is how you're going to do it. In case you meant something else, or if you need a bit more of an explanation, then let me know about it below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming tutorials, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.